Hi friends! So, andito na naman tayo sa isang episode ng Q-Models. At ang topic natin for today is on how to restore the paint of the window frame or sill. But before that, gusto ko munang shout out yung brother ko, si Joey sa San Diego, California. Dahil lagi siyang nanonood at marami daw siyang natututunan. So, hi sa inyong lahat dyan. At okay, umpisa na natin. Nice drawing, eh? Well, this window sill is already damaged due to the condensation. Look at this water here. This is what causes the window sill to have that molds and paint damage by the water. I will show you step by step on how to restore this into its original condition, such as this one here. Okay, so let's have a short trip to Home Depot to buy those paint, primer, brush, and other things that we can use for this project. So, andito na ako ngayon sa Home Depot at bibili ng paint at primer
That'll just take me a minute to
at
touch up for you then.
iba pang mga kailangan like sealant. Kailangan ko lang ng sealant. Sige, pipili muna ako kung anong dapat na bilhin. So they're doing a mixing on the paint. That's how they do it.
You come in my car?
I just arrived from Home Depot at ito yung mga napamili ko na kailangan. So ito yung mold and control. Ito yung recommended sa akin nung expert doon na I need to spray first para makontrol yung mold eventually pag may tubig ulit. Then ito yung sealant, white sealant, waterproof. Ito yung gun na kailangan. So ito yung brush na gagamitin ko. And ito yung paint na ni-recommend niya, mold and mildew proof interior paint. May soft priming na siya, so hindi na kailangan ng primer. So, start to paint. The first step is to use a sandpaper. Okay, start to spray. keep for 30 minutes to dry. Ang nakalagay rito is to allow to dry overnight. Kaya bukas ko na lang pala pwedeng pinturahan. Wait for overnight. Ayan siya, wet. Evenly wet. Yan, lalagyan natin ng sealant. I will start my first coat. As you can see, I put the tape first. So I won't be painting the tiles. So I also use the brush because I'm just painting the trim. It's easier to control. First coat. So this will be my last coat. This is the final result of my painting. I hope you like it and learn something from it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.